What's up guys, Oldmansneaks here. Welcome to another close-up and on-feet sneaker review. Let's take a close look at the Nike by You Custom Dunks. Man, it was a dogfight when the orders for these opened up on the Nike Australia website. You still end up fighting with resellers, and I missed out on its first activation. Luckily they did a second run which I managed to get in. It's really ridiculous that resellers here in Australia are trying to sell these by trying to horribly copy existing colorways. This was intended for personal use. Anyway, I digress. Not sure how long one can keep up with the quote-unquote culture. I went the safe route on my design. It's full suede with really just 3 colors: black, gray, and white. The customizable parts are kind of disappointing. It would have been much better if the toe box and the toe strap can be customized independently. But alas, you can only have one color for both. I think they're trying to avoid the possibility of copying the exact colorway of popular models. I obviously liked the colorway at the time of creation on the Nike website, but when I first received it, I had some doubts. After a while, it kinda grew on me though. Looking at some of the stuff that the other sneakerheads have come up with, I'm pretty happy with this one. Hopefully Nike brings this back again, or maybe I can try going for custom Air Max 90s or Air Forces. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe. Also, if you have any feedback, don't hesitate to comment. That would help me a lot as well. You can follow me on Instagram too.